Hi guys, we're back for another video. I know this is very close, but we're going to do another video because we haven't done a video in a long time. And I'm going to be uploading a bonus video for you guys. You can allow to friend me. My name is Ninja Pigman 2. I only have 51 friends, so you can friend me right now. I am going to join a game, and this game is going to be natural disasters, so make sure you go to that game. Friend me, and then I will give you free Robux as I can. So right now I'm gonna go inside the game and I'm gonna play for a little bit. The reason why I haven't been recording for a long time is because I have been playing with my brother. He wanted me to play for a long time. I've been doing a lot of things on Zombie Rush, so yeah guys. Okay, so we're gonna play right now, guys. Okay, we're playing right now. Remember in the last video, guys, we did a video on free Robux? Well, we're not doing that today. It's not actually free Robux, it's a prank so remember, check out the last video, smash the like button on the video, and smash the like button on this video, and hit the subscribe button. I want to go for 20 subscribers, and that will be it, guys. I want the goal for 20 likes too. Let's hit that. I know you guys can do that. I haven't had any subscribers, any likes. I want you to hit that like button and the subscribe button right now. So I'm in the game. As you can see, I have my little apple. I think my apple is gone. My apple though. I don't know what happened. Okay guys, I'm here. I'll just reset myself. I'll have me a second. What the heck? Okay guys. So I'm in the game right now. Let me move this out the way. Okay, so whoever wants to friend me, come friend me now. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to leave the game because my storage is almost up, guys. So as soon as we get to the thing, what's supposed to do the thing to us? So we have to do it right now, though. My thing's gonna get out of storage. So okay, guys. So I am free for friends. You can give me as many friends as you want, but guys, you have to friend me now because I may have too many friends for you guys. Let's go. Friend me now. Okay, so it's a tornado, guys. It's a tornado. Gotta get down. I almost I didn't die from that jump. That's kind of insane. And so next video I'm going to be playing my brother with something like Zombie Rush. What do you think? Comment down below. What do you think? Zombie Rush, whatever you want. Okay, so right now I'm going to be running to oh my god, oh god, am I gonna die? For some reason the tornado does not kill you. Like if you go inside of it, it does not kill you. It just throws you away. That's the way to kill you, but it does not really kill you. Gotta jump up. Lost my hair and I lost my wings and I lost my... I have lost the wings, actually. I lost my balloon. Oh, I did lose my balloon. Okay, guys. We're gonna stop the video here. Bye, guys. Have a good time. Make sure to friend me, because I'm in the game right now. Bye, guys. Have a good time.